Okay, good day again. Another discussion and another inday nara sa inyo. But anyways, so let's continue with the ridge tracing. So ridge tracing once again is only applicable to the whirl patterns. Whirls. Ridge counting is for loop. Okay, what is ridge counting? So, ridge counting is a process of tracing the ridge that originates from the left delta flowing towards the right delta or near the point and determining the number of intervening ridges between the traced ridge right delta to constitute subdivision. Is it inner, outer, and meeting, which are represented by capital letter I, capital letter O, and capital letter M. So, let's start. Okay. Please take note that it has three, di ba? Inner, the outer, and the meeting. So, ridge tracing, again, is for words. So, we have the 729 possible combination. Inner, three or more intervening ridges inside or above the right delta. Take note, inside or above. Then outer, still three or more intervening ridges, but outside or below the right delta. Then meeting, two or less intervening ridges, it's either above or below the delta. 0 to 2. It is still a meeting. Okay? So, arches presented by dash. Okay, I will show you. Okay. How to ridge trace. Okay, take note class ha. In ridge tracing, you need to always start counting from the left delta. So, meaning to say, you need to identify your two deltas. So, once you identified your two deltas, you will start counting at the left delta. Going to the right. So, from left going to the right. Left to right. Ana jud ang iyang kwan. Then, when the ridge being traced ends abruptly, the next ridge below is treated as its continuity to affect the tracing. Okay? When the ridge is at the end of a ridge or a dot, the next ridge just below is struck down to culminate the tracing. And last, when the tracing being traced forks into two branches, the lower branch is trailed until the tracing is culminated. Okay, I will show you. Unsa man ni pag-trace? So we have the bifurcation as our delta, left delta, and another as our right delta. Same with this, bifurcation and the bifurcation. So according to the rules, if your delta or left delta is a bifurcation or constitute at two branches, you must trace at the lower branch. So if this is a bifurcation, you will trace sa ubos kana diha. So same with this. So I will try a tracing. So this is a tracing ridge. So I will stop na. Why? Kay nitunong naman ko sa akong right delta. Okay? Another, if bifurcation gihapon, but my bifurcation, my lower branch of bifurcation, ends abruptly, naputol. Ang rule, I will continue sa ubos, sa lower, as my continuation until moabot ko sa akong right delta. Okay? Another, if I have, so pangit. Diha. My bifurcation, my left delta is a dot. My right delta is a bifurcation. Then, I have this as a plane whirl. So, plane whirl. So, if my left is that man. So, ang next ko no ana, class, nga ridge lower, is amoy mo continue. So, meaning, pag ako siyang i-trace, drop ko diri sa pinakaubos. Kay, amo man sa rules, amo man sa balaod. Continue ko, paingon, diha. Nakay putol man, continue ko, paubos. Then, continue until mutunong ko sa akong left delta. Ingana lang siya. If ever, ma'am, na dili siya kung that, mahimo siya as, let's say, bifurcation or short ridge. It is a short ridge. We have short ridge. Then, ang continue niya is going here. Then, kana, stop, continue, then that. Same lang gihapon. If I will do a tracing, drop to the lowest. Lower, sa ubos. Continue, drop, continue, drop, continue, then I will stop. Ingana lang siya. Never nga mo jump. Kung naay din ha another, then dili ka pwede nga kanina gay imong tracing, muambak ka diha para mo continue. Drop jud ka sa lower ridge. Okay? So, let's try what's an example of an inner tracing. An inner tracing, when the ridge daw being traced from the left delta to the right delta passes inside or in front of the left delta with 3 or more intervening ridge. Between the trace ridge and the right delta, the result of the tracing is known as the inner. Okay. Lantawan ni class. Same na atay bifurcation as our left delta, then that as our right delta. Kung ako siya i-trace, again, I will trace in the lower branch of a bifurcation, dili sa taas. If I will trace, then I will stop. Why? Kay niatbang naman ko sa akong right delta. And if I will draw an imaginary line from sa akong tracing ridge going to my right delta, kung pila ni kabuok class nga mga ridge nga ni-intervene, meaning iyang naagihan sa akong imaginary line, maunay ako bilangon. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, 4 man siya, then stop man siya, at bang man siya, inside of the right delta, that's the time, ma-inner ang iyang result. Why? Again, it must have 3 or more. So, we have 4 intervening ridge, then ang tracing ridge nako is nag-stop inside sa right delta, then that is an inner. Okay, balik ko na ako. Okay. So, tracing ridge is the lower branch of the bifurcation, then until mo stop. Kaya nga naman diri man ko mo stop, ma'am, it's because dari man diri akong delta, mo man ni ako delta diri na part. So, diha jud ko mo stop kung asa ang akong right delta. Kay mo man ang purpose. So, kung naana ko'y right delta, kaning akong mga nag-intervene, maupo na akong bilangon. So, na ako'y 4 ka-intervening ridge going to my right delta. So, naaman siya sa sulod. So, inner siya. Okay? Next. We have the outer. So, same lang gihapon si inner o outer. But, kung asa lang nakaposisyon ang imong tracing ridge. Same lang, 3 or more. But, ang iya lang required is naa siya sa gawas, outside or outer. So, same, bifurcation, as our left delta, then this is our left delta. So, pag ako siyang i-trace bang, then I will stop. Kay why? Jari raman ko, nitunong naman ko, or nitungod naman ko sa akong right delta. So, kung mag-imaginary line ko, kung pila tong mga ridges na ni-intervene, maunay akong bilangon. So, na ako'y 4 ka ridges nga nag-intervene going to my right delta. So, that is an outer. Why? Outside or below of my right delta. Kaina, si inner, kay niatbang man siya. So, inside siya. But this time, this is below of my right delta or outside of my right delta. So, that's the time, matawag siya as a outer tracing or outer result. Okay? So, kung ako po ni siya mag-draw po kong imaginary line, mahimo siyang central pocket loop whorl. Ba? Ana lang. Then, last is the meeting. So, si meeting, wala na siya paki if naa siya sa sulod or sa gawas. Ang iya lang gi-require is pag 0 to 2 gani ang intervening ridge, it's either naa siya sa sulod or sa gawas, meeting gayod. Okay? 2 or less. So, still gihapon, bifurcation, automatic, continue, this is my tracing ridge, then pila may ni-intervene. So, it has only one intervening ridge. So, meeting ang result. Kaya naman, isa. Even though it passes inside, but the intervening ridge is only one, that is a meeting. Okay? Another. I will show you something, a meeting. Okay. So, bifurcation. Okay. Okay. So, if I will trace, still gapon, this is a converging ridge, but I will trace at the lower branch, going back sa akong right delta. Then I will stop. It's because this is my right delta. So, pila may ni-intervene. Di ba wala? Wala ni-intervene nga ridge. So, meeting gihapon siya. Kay 2 or less man. So, meaning, 0 to 2, meeting ang result. If, ma'am, ingani, how about this one, ma'am? Ay, nako. Kana. Okay. Ay, green. So, 2. Okay, I will trace. This is my continue. I will continue. Ay, nako, sorry ha. Di ko ka-draw. Okay, continue. So, I will continue my tracing until done, stop. Then, I have a dot as my delta, right delta. So, pila may ni-intervene nga ridge? We have 2. Even do na siya sa sulod, meeting gihapon. Kaya nga naman, 2 raman ang intervening. Or, ni-pass man siya mismo sa gawas. Bang. Natay diha. Okay. Ni-pass siya mismo sa gawas. So, that, drop, continue, stop. Na ako'y right delta. So, ni-stop na intervening ridge nga 1 and 2. Meeting gihapon. Kaya nga naman, 2 raman ang iyang intervening. Okay, ana lang siya masabot. So, it is always represented by capital letters. Again ha, I for inner, O for outer, and M for meeting. Okay? So, I hope you understand. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.